Hi, I'm Don Vandermeer with Floe International.
And I'm Daniel Murdy with Varatti Boats. We are excited to announce our 2024 Varatti booth at the Minneapolis Boat Show, January 18th through the 21st, downtown at the Convention Center. We're featuring the 2024 Varatti Z Series, and we'll be unveiling our all-new Sport Top Power Tower with RGB overhead cabin and tower speakers, multiple tow points and features, and a unique one-of-a-kind style you can only find on Varatti. As Minnesota's hometown boat builder built right here in Cambridge, Minnesota, we're excited to offer special discounts at the Minneapolis Boat Show.
Yeah, and we're going to take it a big step further. The first 3 people that buy a Varatti at the show are going to get a free VSD 8000 Floe boat lift. It's going to come with bunks and guidance. It's going to be fully functional, ready to launch your Varatti at the push of a button. This boat lift package is valued at $18,999. So it's clearly the best time ever right now to buy a Varatti because you also get a free $19,000 Floe boat lift.
Wow. So come out and see us at the show. We're excited to announce our alliance with Miller Marine, Power Lodge, and LePier Shoreline. With our factory in Cambridge, Minnesota, we're happy to offer Minnesota's strongest and largest dealer network. So come on out and meet the team.
We hope to see you at the show.